Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Mannii here and welcome to another FIFA 22 Market Stonks video. Yes, you heard it correct, we're changing the name from a market recap to a Market Stonks video as you guys voted for it on Twitter. So guys, we're going to do more community polls so that you guys can dictate what goes on this channel and hopefully you guys enjoy the content. So today we're going to be talking to you guys about what we've seen on the market and also some potential Thursday flips for you guys to be making coins. We'll also talk about team of the week that has dropped, and honestly there are a lot of ways to make coins. So guys, first of all, let's talk about the cards that we have sold on stream. We only streamed for about an hour and a half today and I have not actually been doing a lot of content, well, not content creating because I've been banging it out, but what I haven't done a lot of, guys, is actually trading off stream, because now that I'm working full time, I literally get home and come onto my PlayStation and turn on the stream, finish it, record for you guys, upload it, go back to sleep. So everything I make has to be legitimately done on stream. So guys, check out my streams if you need any help, tips, tricks, what links down in the description below. In the description, a lot of you guys are asking where's the Discord. It's in the description, so go check it out. Also guys, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, share. We're gonna help you make some coins. Now firstly, we picked up a Vinny. We picked him up for 185. I just wanted to play with him. I also noticed he was very cheap at 185. Picked him up with a Hunter, sold him for 199. I believe his price is still rising. Kane we picked up for 20, sold for 22.5. Sancho we picked up for 28.5, sold him for 31.75. And these guys, we done the same method as I did on yesterday's video with all of these cards here. The reason why I did that, guys, is because I showed you guys how to snipe him with chem styles or also position changes. So you guys should definitely be doing that if you want to be making coins quickly. So honestly, it's one of my favorite methods to do. We also did pick up a couple of golds that we picked up more Morillos that we lazy sold for 500, and we picked up a couple of these guys that we lazy sold as well, because Atleti versus, I think it's Barca, is coming out on the weekend, so we might get a potential marquee matchup for that as well. So it is potentially an investment on marquee matchups, if that makes sense, but we did do it in another video that we did yesterday, so go check that out. Now guys, here's the magic. Here's where the magic happens. I've spent quite a bit of coins. I picked up one Haaland. I picked up for 89.5, 89, roughly all between 89 and 89.5, right? Very cheap for Haaland, because if you guys know, we picked up Haaland for 100. Well, we sold Haaland twice for 110k plus. So I saw him at 89k and was like, I have to buy him. Jadon Sancho we picked up at 29.25k. I just really like this price, especially because he was 35k when everyone's to watch and the donkey started rising. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get in and pick up another Jadon Sancho. What else do I have? I just checked my club if I bought anything else that I don't remember what I bought, because I do that quite a bit, guys. I buy shares and then I just put it in my club and then I forget about it, and then I lose coins. Okay, so yeah, we've got an Alaba still here, 11.5k. I'm just gonna wait for this card to rise a little bit. But guys, the market has fallen right now. Like, the market was rising throughout the whole day, for when we were doing our research, etc. Let me just show you guys. So the market has fallen quite a bit throughout today. The reason why I'm going to show you this is because, look, firstly, you can see, look, Haaland is at 88.5. I picked him up for 89 with a Hunter, so not bad. I made sure to get him with a Hunter. Lukaku's down at 60k. Bruno Fernandes is 177. He was 185 something, I think. Vinicius is obviously now back in packs. Hakimi has been popping up on the market quite a bit, you know, guys. Quite a bit. Martial is down from 14k to 11.5. A lot of these cards are down. Valverde's down from 47. Pogba's down from 180. That's a big drop. Rashford's down from 180 as well. Ronaldo's down from 1.7. So all of these cards are pretty much down, okay? And it's not because Team of the Week has come out. It's because loads of people are panic selling for rewards, which are dropping tomorrow. So I genuinely think that it's a great chance to get in right now for a Thursday flip. And that's why I'm doing this video, because I feel like right now is a great time to do it. A lot of people are investing in Jesus because he's gone up. He's like one of the few cards that have gone up because of this card. This card's rising too, by the way. Actually, no, he was at 260 earlier, but it doesn't really matter. It's his first day. This card I really like. I mean, if you ever see this card at anywhere near the price of 180, which I don't think he'll be, I think he's settled down. I think 250 is a good price for this card anyway. I think he's going to continue to rise. 86 rated, right winger, 4-star skills, 3-star weak foot. Yes, he is also meta. He is also super meta, as we've seen in the game so far. And the reason why I'm saying 250 might be a great price for this card is because he's had time to settle, and I don't think his price has been going down much since he's dropped. I mean, on release, how much was he? On release, he was 258, 269, 252. So yeah, he's been around about that 252 mark. Now he's had a little bit of time to settle down, and also if you actually look at this, he's been picking up and selling on the lazy for 256. So that's why I've been saying he hasn't dropped for a little bit. So yes, it does look like he's dropped, but actually he hasn't. He really hasn't. Oh, my stomach's making noises. I hate when that happens. He's been selling for 260 literally just minutes ago. So yeah, I don't know what the price of this card is. I don't want to really predict it because it's a volatile card right now. But if you get him, I would say keep him, just on the basis that this card could go up. However, he is in packs for another 5 days, and on Friday is the ones to watch where people will be opening a hell of a lot of packs. So the reason why I'm saying keep him today is because, or tomorrow, is because the market will probably rise into Friday, and then it'll come down for ones to watch panic, and then rise into Friday night after because packs are going to be open on Friday and Thursday. So right now everything is being panic sold. Like legitimately, I believe every single card is just being panic sold, and that's the main reason why I picked up that Haaland, because I just feel like loads of cards are being panic sold. They're way too cheap right now. Haaland should not be that price. A lot of these cards should not be that price. But this is a great opportunity tomorrow. If you see any good deals, get involved, get in, because there are a lot of coins to be made. I mean, you could see Marlon's probably at 1k because of supply tomorrow morning. Rivals are here at 9 a.m. Mbabu could be low. If you see Mbabu low, go pick him up. But guys, what you want to be looking at are the gems. And when I mean the gems, I mean the rare, the common golds that are in community SBCs. So what you guys want to be doing, I don't know if I'm even speaking English, is literally go onto version, go onto gold non-rare, and then I want you guys to sort by price. Now you see these cards that are like 2k, yeah, all of these cards that are roughly 2k and actively selling, I just want you guys, even I would say 1.5k plus, yeah, all of these cards, 1k plus, sorry, all of these cards, this whole page, I want you guys to try and see if you can pick up any of these cards on bid for less than 500 coins tomorrow. A lot of these cards, I guarantee there'll be one of these 20-30 cards that will be able to pick up on for 350, 400, 500 coins. The reason why I'm saying that is because these cards double up a lot and are used for SBCs quite a bit, or some of these cards are also out of packs. So please check that out. That will definitely make you some coins. And literally every single Thursday last year, common golds will be at their lowest, and then they'll be super high on a Friday, Saturday, and then on their lowest on a Sunday night as well, and super high Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So literally your days to trade with common golds are tomorrow, maybe Friday night, also maybe Sunday, because now I believe it's not on a Monday morning anymore. Squad Battle Rewards, it's now on a Sunday morning. So yeah guys, there are loads of coins to be made, there's loads of potential here, and honestly there are some cards that, yeah, however there are also some cards I want you guys to have a look at. Emery Chan is still dropping. A lot of these cards are still currently dropping, but what I want you guys to do is all the popular cards here, try and get some links. I would say, for example, Jesus is here. Try and pick up a Bernardo Silva tomorrow. His price will rise. Try and pick up a Phil Foden tomorrow. Try and pick up any strong link to Jesus tomorrow. If you can't get Cancelo, get Kyle Walker. Honestly, look, Foden is 23k only. He was 25k yesterday. That's a good bit of business, and he's quite popular. Another card that I would say is I think Kyle Walker actually went up. In fact, let's just double check. Walker, is he here? Is he here? Bernardo Silva's down at 17.25. He was selling for 20. Cancelo was selling for 41. He's back at 37. Let's see if there's a Walker. There must be. Walker, 94.5k. He was actually sitting at, let's see what Walker was sitting at. So Walker was sitting in at around about 98k, 100k earlier. He was sitting in at around about 100k earlier. He's down as well. If you can get this guy in his low 90s, high 80s, great buy. So guys, you literally know exactly what these cards sell for when there is demand, when there is coins on the market. And I guarantee that tomorrow in the morning, there'll be a little bit of panic throughout the night, a little bit, but there will be a rise. There will also be a rise tomorrow, even though the next day is ones to watch. We will talk about tomorrow's market in tomorrow market stonks video. But before we do that, let me show you guys the team of the week. So first of all, it's in new FIFA 22 players, and where is it? I think there's just a button here that press show cards. So yeah, I like this format better because you can see all the cards in a clearer detail. But you've got Nilsson, who I believe might be the Silver Stars card, unless they've dropped to the Silver Inform. There's a price range on it, so it's the Silver Inform. But the ones that are notable are Felipe Anderson, Jesus, Barella, Navas, Benzema, who's I think is quite expensive, right? 203k. Zakaria, who I really like the look of, especially for a CDM, and Nkunku. So these are the notable ones, and Osimhen as well, to be fair. That's a really good card. Cards like this will definitely impact the market. And guys, what I want to tell you guys, and also Dest, I didn't show you guys Dest and Smith Rowe if you guys are Arsenal fans and care too much about him. But what I wanted to say to you guys about this team of the week is that there will be some investment opportunities for some cards that link to these cards. So I think tomorrow you might be able to pick up this card like Benzema, for example, at 150. Maybe after rewards he might rise. So I would definitely look out for these cards. However, what I would look for more than these cards, I talked about Jesus's links earlier, how you guys should be looking to invest in that. But one thing I do think that you guys should be looking to invest in, and that's links for these three cards. Now, I don't think, because these three are the best ones, right? Other than Gabriel Jesus, and also Dest if you really wanted to. Now, the reason why I'm saying that, guys, is because if you actually look at Real Madrid's squad, right, there are quite a lot of good cards here. I think Casemiro, 65 pace is not good enough. However, Fabinho has 65 pace as well and is very usable, very good in game. So maybe him, 89 rated, could be a great investment. And also, he's a link between this Benzema and this Vinicius Jr., who's up like hotcakes. To be fair, I should have kept my Vinicius Jr. Don't know what I did by selling him at 199. Don't know what I was thinking. But yes, we move. You could also get a Courtois. You can get loads of different cards that will definitely benefit this card as well, and also will just make coins, right? Alaba is going to get a ones to watch. We don't know when. However, he's a card that I would definitely look at. He'll be out of packs, so his price will rise. We've seen what happened with Gabriel Jesus. Gabriel Jesus' card has gone up by 4k. Benzema's card has also gone up a little bit, even though he is now out of packs. He's gone up from, let's see, he's gone up from 19k all the way up to 25k just before release, and then he went down. So he did go up essentially today, because obviously he was 90k earlier. And also you see this sell-off here. This is all the Patreon. This is what the Patreon are doing. So all the Patreon people are selling off the card before team of the week because they're not sure if the guy's going to get team of the week or not. Then the team of the week drops, and it doesn't really matter because yeah, no one's going to invest in him. However, his price will or potentially could rise throughout the week because he is out of packs. So make sure to check this out. And he is a very good card, to be fair. Let's be real. He is a good card in the game because of the way the meta is. Another thing I did want to show you is Osimhen. Osimhen's links as well. He's got really good links at Napoli. I would say look at Osimhen, look at Insigne, look at Manolas. These cards are very cheap. I would definitely look at Manolas, by the way. 4.3k looks like a bargain. But one card I would definitely look at is this Hirving Lozano. He is a link to Osimhen with 93 pace, very usable in a good league because I think Syria have some good players, right? He's only 1.8k. So I would definitely look at this card. Even Mertens, good link to Osimhen. only 3.8k. You've got some good investments. Actually, I might just pick up a few of him now. Let's see what his price was earlier. Let's see what his price was saying. So Osimhen dropped. I'm gonna buy some. Guys, let's go and buy some. But before we buy some, let's also look at this card, because I said I'm going to show you some investments that you guys need to look at. So obviously Zakaria is here. Now what you want to do is look at Bundesliga cards. Now I don't think there are many good players in this club, Mönchengladbach. But what I would do, guys, I would definitely look at. Firstly, I wouldn't look at this card, but he is out of packs and he's 7.7k. But what I would look at is Jan Sommer. Maybe I don't know who would do this, but some people might play him off chem. I don't know. That's why I said I don't know who would do it. Or you could look at Ginter, 1.8k. He's an 84 rated. Yes, he's not the best, but he is a link nonetheless. He could be cheaper tomorrow. You never know. So if you do see him for around about 1.4k, I feel like this is a very riskless investment. And I just think that even Sommer, if you wanted to get a Mönchengladbach team, you could get Sommer, Ginter and Zakaria. Not the best team. However, some people don't have coins and they pack Zakaria. You know what I mean? Tomorrow, these links will definitely rise, because what will happen is people will be packing these cards and through untradeable rewards, and they might be like, rah, I need a good link to these cards. Now, like Zakaria, unfortunately, doesn't have many good strong links other than Ginter and Sommer. However, I believe if you go to Nation Switzerland, you've got some links like this Akanji, who I really like, that could go up. So I think Akanji is a good link and Babu's a good link for Zakaria. These two are players I would definitely be looking at, because they're firstly both in the Bundesliga, which gives this guy a strong link. And yeah, they're both same nation. So guys, there are loads of coins to be made in the market, honestly. I don't even know if you can see these cards, but yeah, make sure to be on top of it. Make sure to be checking the market, because I think that, guys, you could be making loads of coins tomorrow morning, and that's why I'm getting out this video, to help you guys do so. But one more thing I do want to say, we were looking at Dries Mertens, right? I know Dries Mertens might get supplied a hell of a lot, but I still feel like that's too cheap. Let's go and buy a few of him, and I want to show you guys that I'm going to buy him, because this is an RTG, so if I'm not doing it on stream, I'm going to do it on this recording so that you guys can see. And look, I'm going to take a punt. I'm going to take a few of him. Maybe I'll just get him with a hunter or something. How much is he? Guys, he's too cheap, man. I can't believe it. No, he's this is illegal. He's got a really good strong link in Osimhen. A really good strong link. People are going to pack him tomorrow morning. Chat. People are going to pack him tomorrow morning. But I'm going to use the method that I normally use with where I try and find my hunter. So I'm going to do that, so that way, at least, like, worst case scenario, I don't lose any coins on this card. But I don't think I will. 3.7k, loads of people will try and get this guy in. He is very usable. And the full game is also coming out on Friday, guys. Yes, packs will be open, but there will also be coins on the game. So if people do get Osimhen, yes, he's got a link now. So let's try and pick up one cheeky little Dries Mertens with a hunter. That would be great. Or cheap, like really cheap. Or position change would be nice. But let's see what we can get. As they say, beggars can't be choosers. So let's try and do this. Bam, 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 bam. Oh no, that's 3.4k, 3.5k. And I feel like, guys, the more you actually invest in cards like these link invests, I know they can be risky. However, I also just think that it just makes sense. And I look at these cards and I'm like, okay, Mertens is an 84 rated. Yes, he's cheap, but is he super usable? Will people use him in weekend league? And if the answer is yes to both questions, then I will be looking at the card and be like, yes, he should rise. I mean, a card that is going to be used in weekend league has a good link. It's a no-brainer. So let's go ahead and try and pick one up. If I can get one, which is a cat. Oh man, finally a position change one. But it didn't really matter. There we go, striker. I'll try and pick up another one or two. Guys, really and truly on this channel, yeah. Okay, there we go, finally. Okay, so we picked up both a little bit cheaper, both position changed. So yeah, I wanted to show you me buying him because it's an RTG, guys. I know it's not orthodox. I know it's a little bit different what we've done today on today's video, but it's a Market Stonks video. I hope you guys enjoyed our first ever official Market Stonks video, even though we've been doing it since FIFA's dropped. But if you guys want to see more of this content, make sure to smash out that like, subscribe if you're new, and thank you. Peace.